when you know exactly how many times you want to execute the loop, right? And in such type of scenario, use for loop. If you are very much clear with your limitations, for example, I want to print 1 to 10 number, right? 1 to 10 number. It is fixed. Then go for loop. For loop. And is equals to 0. That is known as a initialization. Then I is less than equal to 10. ये हुई हमारी condition, right? It is a condition. And then I want in increment order, then write down I plus plus, right? Code will be here. A repeated block will be here. Okay? अगर मुझे यूजर से इनपुट लेना है और उसको पूछ रहा है भाई तू कितने नंबर प्रिंट करना चाहता है, ऐसी अगर कंडीशन है, don't use a for loop for that. Use while loop, right? Yeah, let us write a program. Where is my editor? I want to copy certain things. Okay, let us copy this program. We don't require initialization. We will write in a one statement. Okay. Yes, of course. Let me try something new. Initialization is there, right? Then condition, and at the last, what is there? Increment, decrement. Increment, decrement. Let us see. For loop, I is equals to 0, because I want to start from 0. You will write 0. Otherwise, let us start from 1, right? I is less than equals to 10. I plus plus. That's it. It is very simple, very easy. Let me paste this code here. Okay, let us delete this. We don't require the while loop here. Yeah, let us save. It's a for loop. And let us execute. There. Wow, congratulations. You have 0 errors. And this is our output. 1 to 10 number using for loop. Right? Okay. Now look at here. It is our header file. The main is the compulsory function. We have one integer variable, that is I. Write down for keyword, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. I is equals to 1. I is less than equals to 10. ये वाला पार्ट इनिशलाइजेशन इसकी फॉर लूप के लाइफ में एक बार ही होगा, एक बार ही इनिशलाइज होगा. मतलब ये वाला पार्ट हर बार एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा, बस कंडीशन चेक होती रहेगी और इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट होता रहेगा. ठीक है? यस. ओके. एंड देन it will print its value. When condition get false, it will be exit from for loop, right? Yes. And for loop was easy, right? If I want to continue the execution, use continue keyword. Otherwise, you can use a break, right? So if I want to find I is equals to 5, okay? I is equals to 5, then let us write this statement here. Let us see what will happen. I will write a continue. Continue. That's it. Okay, now let us execute. You will get only 5, right? And why? Because if this condition is not true, then there is nothing, right? There is no printf statement. If there is a printf statement, right, and you are writing something, for example, hello. Yeah, you can write exit also. Okay, let us write something else. Let me write else part. open curly, close curly, and let me use break. So it will not print anything. And let me save and let us execute. Because break will break the execution. See, nothing has been printed. ठीक है. पहली बार चेक करेगा आई की वैल्यू 5 है, नहीं है, तो उसके बाद ये सीधा एल्स पार्ट करेगा और एल्स में लिखा है मैंने ब्रेक, तो सीधा ये एग्जीक्यूशन से बाहर चला जाएगा, एग्जीक्यूशन को ब्रेक करेगा. ठीक है. अगर मैंने यहाँ से ये कंटिन्यू को हटा दिया और यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू कर दिया तो मतलब एग्जीक्यूशन कंटिन्यू होता रहेगा, लेकिन आउटपुट देखते हैं आउटपुट क्या आएगा. ठीक है. 1 मिनट पहले कंपाइल करना पड़ेगा इसको और फिर भी ये आंसर आएगा 5. तो इसका आंसर अगर मुझे चाहिए तो आई विल यूज दिस स्टेटमेंट हियर, देन यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग. Right? You will get everything. That's it.